Rainbow Hands.
Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Let's draw the alphabet from A to F. Come and learn with me. Shall we start with the letter A? Let's draw a big A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, sing the alphabet with E.
I'm going to color it orange.
Letter A, letter A. Let's learn letter A.
Now, what starts with A? An apple. Apple starts with A. What else starts with A? Ant. That's right. Ant also starts with A. Let's draw a tiny ant. What color is the apple? It's red. Let's paint the apple red. Next is the ant. What color should we paint the ant? Let's paint it brown. Oh, wait! Let's color the ant's eyes too. I'll paint the eyes white. Now the ant can see you. Next is the letter B. Let's draw a curvy B.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's color the B green.
Letter B, letter B. Let's learn letter B.
What starts with B? A bird. And what else starts with B? Ball. A ball also starts with B.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N, we're almost halfway then.
Now, let's color the bird. Let's paint it blue. It's a beautiful blue bird. And what about the soccer ball? Let's paint it black and white. Wow, great job. A and B are done. Now, let's move on. Time for the letter C. Let's draw around C.
V-W-X-Y-and-Z, they know your ABCs.
Let's color the C yellow.
Letter C, letter C. Let's learn letter C.
Now, let's draw things that start with C. C is for cat.
Next time, won't you sing with
And
me?
what else starts with C? Cup. You're right. Cup also starts with C. Let's draw a pretty cup.
Come on, everybody.
Let's color the cat
Let's
pink.
sing our ABCs.
Meow. It's a cute cat.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
Now
G,
the
sing
cup.
the alphabet
What color
with
should we
E.
choose? Let's paint it red. It looks great. Here comes the letter D. Let's draw a big D. I'll color it blue.
Letter D, letter
is for door. And what else starts with D? Dog. Dog also starts with D. Let's draw a dog. Let's color the door green. And what color is the dog? Let's paint it brown. Woof! Woof! Great job, friends! Now, let's go to the next page. Let's draw the letter E.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
I'll color it red.
Letter E, letter E. Let's learn letter E.
E is for egg. Let's draw a small round egg first. Wait, there's something else. What else starts with E? Elephant. That's it. A big, big elephant also starts with E. First, the egg. Let's color the egg, apricot. And for the elephant, what color should it be? Let's paint it yellow. A bright yellow elephant. Look at that. So cute. Now, the letter F. Let's draw a tall F. I'll color it yellow. I'll color it orange.
Letter F, letter F. Let's learn letter F.
F is for fish. And what else starts with F? Flower. Yes! Flower also starts with F. Let's draw a pretty flower. Let's color the fish blue. Blub, blub, it's swimming in the water. Let's paint the flower pink. Wow, it's so beautiful. You did a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.
Let's sing our ABCs.